the heart of holiday cheer, the Christmas fireplace as the ahol. Winter months approach, the festive spirit begins to take hold. Among the many symbols of the season, none is more quintessentially associated with Christmas than the fireplace. A cozy haven that serves as both a gathering place and a beacon of warmth. The Christmas fireplace is an integral part of holiday tradition. Core. A timeless tradition, the idea of gathering around a roaring fire on Christmas has been a staple of England winter celebrations for centuries. Whether it was in medieval Europe or early American communities, families would come together to share stories, sing carols, and enjoy each other's company by the warmth and light of a crackling fireplace. The tradition has endured, adapting to modern times while maintaining its core essence. A symbol of joy and comfort, the Christmas fireplace represents more than just a physical space. It embodies the feeling of joy, comfort, and community that define this special time of year. It's where families share memories, exchange gifts, and enjoy holiday treats together. As the fire crackles and pops, its warmth spreads throughout the home, creating an ambience that invites all to come and be part of the celebration. Decorating the hearth, no Christmas fireplace is complete without its moral festive decorations. Garlands of evergreen branches adorned with holly berries, pine-cones or red ribbons add a touch of seasonal charm. Stockings hang from mantles awaiting the arrival of St. Nicholas, while stockings and mittens are sometimes hung by children in anticipation of Santa's visit. Candles, festive wreaths, and sprigs of greenery complete the transformation, turning any room into a winter wonderland. The heart of holiday giving, perhaps the most enduring tradition associated with the Christmas fireplace, is the act of It's here that families come together to share stories of their year, exchange gifts, and look forward to the new ones to come. As the fire crackles, conversations flow, and laughter echoes through the room. It becomes a moment of pure connection and love, a legacy in making. The Christmas fireplace holds more than just sentimental value. It's a legacy waiting to be passed down from generation to generation. For those who cherish these moments, the tradition of gathering by the fire is not just a holiday ritual, but a way to bridge the past with the present, ensuring that memories are made and stories told for years to come. In conclusion, the Christmas fireplace stands as an embodiment of joy, warmth, and community during this special time of all year. In a place where memories are made, traditions are passed down, and love is shared. It's more than just a physical space. It's the heart of holiday cheer that connects us all.